Huizhou Jinghao Medical Technology Company Limited is located in Huizhou City, Guangdong, which near Shenzhen and Hong Kong, China. Is first listed hearing aid company on the Beijing Stock Exchange on 2021, specialized in providing comprehensive and cost-effective hearing aids. As the professional medical manufacturer of hearing aid in China, we focus on technology-driven approach for patients' health plans and providers while maintaining unmatched personalized care. With 14 plus years of experience in creating hearing aid and doctors of audiology on staff, our products have achieved many patents and been authorized by China Food and Drug Administration MDR, Medical CE, BSCI, ROSE, ISO 9001, ISO 13485, etc. Certificate to ensure the quality. We always provide OEM and ODM service will be provided. After sales service and products upgrade could be provided to ensure customers' shopping experience. Insist on the principle of quality, first customer first, and service first. We not only supply to lots of renowned brand, but also to wholesalers and retailers. Our commodities are being exported to more than 90 plus countries and areas with 300 plus partners. All these outstanding achievements guide us to be better. Help patients manage their hearing loss with hearing aids, which bring back the positive lives, relationships, and communities. We warmly welcome friends from all over the world to visit Jinghao Company and enjoy win-win business with us.